Have you ever wondered how to grow your own exotic herbs at home? Imagine the joy of cultivating lemongrass and saffron right in your backyard. This video will guide you through the process, demystifying the art of home gardening. So, are you ready to become a home gardener of exotic herbs? Let's dive right in. Starting with lemongrass, a fragrant herb widely used in Asian cuisine. To grow it, you can use seeds or stalks. If you're starting from seeds, plant them in a warm, sunny spot. For stalks, simply place them in a glass of water and wait for roots to grow. Lemongrass thrives in well-drained soil and full sun. Regular watering and occasional fertilizing will keep it healthy. When it's time to harvest, just trim the stalks at ground level. With a bit of patience and care, you'll have your own lemongrass ready for your next culinary adventure. Now, let's move on to saffron, a prized spice known for its distinct flavor and vibrant color. Saffron is derived from the humble crocus bulb, a hardy little plant that thrives in well-drained soil and full sunlight. The process of growing saffron begins with planting these bulbs in late summer, ensuring they're covered with about 3 inches of soil. Come autumn, you'll see your garden sprinkled with radiant purple flowers. It's from these flowers that we get our saffron. Each flower has 3 crimson stigmas, which are harvested by hand, dried, and voila, you have saffron. It requires a bit more patience and effort than your typical herb, but trust me, the result is well worth it. There you have it, your very own saffron ready to bring color and flavor to your dishes. Growing your own exotic herbs at home is not only rewarding, but also a great way to enhance your dishes. Let's revisit the journey we've taken today, from planting lemongrass stalks in well-drained soil to nurturing saffron crocus bulbs for their precious threads. The secret to flourishing plants? Patience and care. Your garden is a testament to your dedication. So, keep nurturing, keep growing, and keep exploring the world of exotic herbs. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.